Hi everyone! Welcome to Camglish.com. Again, Teacher Angel is back. And I will let you answer some grammar exercises in the book Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. I hope that you're all doing fine and you're happy. Well, be ready because we will do some grammar exercises that might help you enhance your sentence construction. We're going to do exercises under Unit 93. If you remember, in our previous video, we learned what is the right word order. Our right word order should be first subject, then followed by a verb, then followed with your object. Okay, object of a sentence. And when we want to answer the questions where and when, in our statement or sentence, we should put where first before when. Subject, verb, where, the place, when, the time. Right? Don't forget that order. Now in exercise 93.1, I want you to put whether the sentence is right or wrong. We have to correct the sentences that are wrong. If it's wrong, if it's not okay, like in number 2, we have to correct it, okay? Alright, let's have an example. Did you watch all evening television? Of course, this is not right. So, our sentence should be, did you watch television all evening? Correct. We have here our subject, verb, and of course the object and our time. Remember that time, the question or the answer for the question when should be put at the end of our sentence, right? Okay. Now, let's have number 2. Sue reads a newspaper every day. This is right. Sue, subject, verb, object, newspaper, and time every day. Right? Okay. Now, I will let you do questions 3 to 9 on your own, and also to know and to check your ability to construct right sentences. I challenge you to pause this video for a while you're answering on your own paper. Then when you're done, you can play it again and check all your answers. Okay? Let's pause now. Alright, well, I think you're excited to check your answers now. Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Number 3. I like very much this picture. Of course, this is very wrong. Alright, it should be, I like this picture very much. Next one. Tom started last week his new job. This is also wrong. It should be, Tom started his new job last week. And number 5. I want to speak English fluently, which is very much correct. 6th. Jane bought for her friend a present. Jane bought a present for her friend. Jane, our subject, bought our verb, present our object, and is for her friend, right? 7th, I drink every day 3 cups of coffee. It should be, I drink 3 cups of coffee every day. 8th, don't eat your dinner too quickly. That is correct. We usually place our adverb at the end of our sentence. Okay, 9th, I borrowed from my brother 50 pounds. We can say, I borrowed 50 pounds from my brother. Alright? I is the subject. Borrowed is our verb. 50 pounds is our object. Okay, and it came from his brother. Alright? This part answers where the money came from. Okay. Alright. Well, was that easy for you? You did very good there when you got everything correctly. Now, it's not get through. First video is not get through. We will do exercise 93.2. Put the words in order. I will give you an example in number 1. I opened the door slowly. Instead of saying, the door opened, I slowly. Right? You may want to do and accomplish exercises number 2 to 12. Then pause this video, play it when you're done. Let's start. Alright, let's check your answers now. Number 2. It should be, I bought a new computer last week. Right. Number 3. Paul finished his work quickly. Our subject here is Paul, and then followed by the verb finished about his work as our object, and our adverb quickly is at the end of our sentence. 4th, Emily doesn't speak French well or French very well. 5th, I did a lot of shopping yesterday. 6th, do you know London well? And 7th, instead of saying we enjoyed very much the party, we should say we enjoyed the party very much. 8th, I explained the problem carefully. 9th, we met some friends at the airport. And 10th, did you buy the jacket in England? 11th, we do the same thing every day. And finally, number 12, I don't like football very much. Very well, students. I hope you got everything here correctly. Well, we're not yet through, but we don't have much time left, so we will just finish exercise 93.3 in our next video. I hope to see you there. And please apply everything we learned today about proper word order. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everybody and have a nice day. But before I leave, I want to invite you all to enroll to Camglish.com so that you will further enhance your English speaking skills. You will not only work on your grammar, but also your pronunciation and your speaking skills. For you to be more confident, right? Goodbye.